In this video, we'll show you how to replace the license plate bracket on your Chevy Colorado. This is located in the front of the vehicle and right on the front of the bumper. Let's get started. We have 4 rivets holding on our bracket. We'll go ahead and drill out the very center. You want to have a bigger drill bit than the hole of the rivet. And we can do the same with the other 3. I'm going to use some glass cleaner and a rag and just clean up this area. Get the bracket lined up on the bumper. We can start to get our first rivet in. Before I go fully tight with that and break the rivet off, I'm going to get the other ones in and lined up, and then we can break all of the rivets free together. You can go ahead and install your license plate. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.